Welcome back, you dirty little hoggers. Well, I tried a walleye and sauger fishing trip yesterday on the Bighorn River. Yeah, no, terrible. Holy shit. No! Damn it, I actually had one. I don't know if I snagged it. It looked like I damn near had him in the back. I sucked. I lost a whole pack of jig heads. So I'm right next to the fish hatchery at the nearby stream to see if I can't catch some trout. I don't know how to fish for trout. All I have is my ice fishing stuff, so I'm using a Swedish pimple right now. It's probably gonna be another failed mission, but stay tuned. Gonna put on my waders because, well, there's already running water across the road to get down there. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can catch something. I really wish I knew how to trout fish because right now I am freaking clueless. Or I wish I knew how to fly fish, I guess is what I should be saying. But, like, there should be trout here. Well, there's a trout right there. Oh. Too bad I don't know how to fly fish. Well, that's cool. I saw my first wild trout. Holy shit, I got one. No way. Oh, oh, that is sick. I cannot believe it. Gotta get that hand wet. Oh, beauty. I think it's a brown. Beauty of a brown. I think. Look at that. Oh, yeah, buddy. Beauty. I gotta take a picture of you. Sick. Beauty. Yes, I didn't get skunked. Oh, it was kind of unfair because, well, it's a big pool here. I guess that means that this white thing works, though. But I caught him on here. Right there. Oh, I feel like this is going to be a terrible view. Well, I saw a few more when I was driving by, so maybe I can get lucky again. It's like parkour. Parkour. Well, there was my fail of a day. Oh, just adding to the fails. I mean, hey, I caught one fish. Didn't get skunked, caught my first Wyoming fish. About a 14-inch brown trout. Nothing crazy, but I mean, this creek isn't really much either. Not much for deep spots, which is where they like to hang out. But I don't know if that's true or not. I know nothing about trout fishing. So thanks for staying with the journey. It's gonna be a short video, very short video. Might make 2 videos, or might make 2 days into one. Maybe I could put my failed attempt of yesterday too. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep going with the trout fishing and all the other types of fishing, mostly on the weekends because I'm a working man on the weekdays. Probably gonna try some lake fishing next weekend because I can't stream fish or river fish. Just can't. Don't know how. I do, but I don't. You know, but all right, stop. I'm done jibber jabbering. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.